Hey my loves, welcome to another cooking video, and today we are making scotched eggs, also known as chicken balls. If you're tired of frying and grilling your chicken cutters, I would highly recommend trying this recipe out, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So we're gonna start by showing you guys the ingredients, my dry ingredients that I'm gonna be using for my chicken, and I'm gonna leave a list of all the ingredients that I left and also the measurements for them. And of course, I'm also going to be using my green seasoning, aka knockers. You know, I can't live without that. And I'm using half a cup of oil, and I'm also using some chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my chicken into chunks just so it can help the blender blend a little faster. And I'm using none other than my Ninja blender. If you don't have a Ninja blender, listen, what are you waiting for? Anyways, so I went ahead and blended my chicken until it has this very smooth consistency, and I'm going to go ahead and pour all my seasonings on it and also my green seasoning. If you haven't watched the video of my green seasoning, go ahead and watch it. I have it on my page already. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix all that without forgetting the oil, okay, because the oil helps you in mixing it together, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for later. Now I went ahead and boiled some eggs, and I'm gonna use that with the chicken. Now it's been a few hours already. You can leave this overnight. I feel like it's gonna be even better if you leave it overnight. So we're gonna go ahead and just put it into a bowl. Now, as you guys can see, we put the egg inside and then we make it into a bowl, and now I'm gonna go ahead and steam it. Okay, this is really necessary to steam it because you want your chicken to be fully cooked when you're done frying. So now I'm using 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of flour mixed together, and I'm going to go ahead and also use some breadcrumbs. And my breadcrumbs that I'm using is the seasoned one, the Italian style seasoned breadcrumbs. I love this breadcrumbs. Now that my chicken is cooked and done, we're gonna take it out of the steamer and let it just cool down for just a few minutes, because I'm in a hurry. I should have done this earlier, but I was so busy, so I didn't have time. So we're gonna go ahead and break some egg into a bowl, about 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, and give it a good whisk, and we are ready to coat our chicken balls into the breadcrumbs. As you guys can see, we're putting it first in the flour mix, and then we put it in the egg, and then we put it in the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna do that with all the rest of the chicken balls, and we move on to the next step. And it is also important that you coat all your balls really well before you start frying. Now I have my oil in my pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and fry it. Make sure your oil is on medium heat, not too high but not too low at the same time. And you can see how beautiful the frying looks. It is a nice golden color, and I'm loving the color. So this is because my oil was not too hot. Now we're done. You can go ahead and pair this with anything that you want. I have some onion rings and also some cheese breads on the side with some salad, and basically that is it. We absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up because it will be highly appreciated. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.